Hello, my name is Robert Bache, Medicare Bob. I own Senior Healthcare Direct, and we help people with their Medicare insurance nationwide. I'm honored because I'm going to show you around our website and how to use it, which is kind of cool because it almost feels like I'm showing you my home because I do live at the office most of the time. So let's start on my website. This is Senior Healthcare Direct. I actually designed it and built it myself, so please be nice about the design. But it's really cool and really user-friendly, and the best part is the information within the website. So if you click Medicare Bob's blog, it's going to take you to the page that you see. And if you click on any of these links right here, these are topics that not only do I have a blog, but I have a video about those topics. So you can scroll down and find anything that you need to know about Medicare. I have a video on it. I have over 300 videos. The other way to use our website is if you want to learn about our team. So if you click Our Team, you'll see my picture, my family, and all of our licensed agents. And if you click on their profile page, on their picture, you'll see their license number and a bio about them and why they choose to work with seniors to help. You can also go back to our team page and you can see that we have a full support staff of people that are licensed agents and only handle customer service. So if the agent that assists you is not able to get back to you as soon as you would like them to, you always have the option to work with one of our licensed customer support reps. Now, another really cool function of our website is the Get Quote button here. If you click on that, it's going to take you to a picture with a funny cartoon of me, Medicare Bob, and it's going to ask for your zip code, your date of birth, your phone number, and your name and email address. The reason we do this is we're going to provide you with all the Medicare supplement quotes in your area. And to give you a proper quote, we have to have your zip code, we have to know your age, and we have to know if you use tobacco or if you have anybody in your household that you might qualify for a discount for. So if you give us your custom information, then we can do a customized quote for you based on where you live. Because as you know, with Medicare supplement insurance, the plan can be the same, but the different carriers can charge different prices. So what's really cool about working with my office and our website is there's absolutely no fee for our service. So you do not have to pay us anything for our help, and we're going to help you every year get the most cost-effective Medicare plan for your health, medical, as well as your prescription drugs. So you'll never overpay for your Medicare coverage again. So please, feel free to take a look at our website, go to our team page and take a look at any of our agents' profiles. You can call any of those agents directly if you'd like. Take a look at my Medicare Bob blog. I work on this 3 days a week all the time, and I just post constant content about Medicare. If you have a question that you don't see answered there, feel free to call us. And most importantly, if you're new to Medicare and or you're already on Medicare and looking to save money on your Medicare plan, use the Get Quote function of our website and fill out that information. You will not get bombarded with a bunch of phone calls, but one of our licensed agents will call you and we'll give you a customized quote. And remember, if we help you once, we help you forever. So once you're our client, we do annual reviews with you every year, and there's never a fee for our service.